right, I'm gonna do a quick video on how to use your stove even if your power goes out. Okay, so our power just went out in our house. As you can see, we got nothing. I can try to use the stove. Got nothing. But if you have a gas stove like we have here, not to worry, you can still cook stuff even when your power is out. First of all, you'll just need a lighter like this. One of the long lighters is best. And then you have your gas stove and you're just going to turn it to ignite. Then you're going to light with the lighter. Whoo! Right there, where the flame comes out. And then at that point, you can turn it down and you can use your stove like normal. Couple words of caution. Be careful when doing this. Use a long lighter, like I said, if possible. And when you're doing the lighting part, when you're igniting it, do not leave the gas on for very long, because if you have that on without the flame, the gas is actually coming out. Like I can smell it a little bit right now. So be careful. Don't do it for very long. As soon as you put it on the ignite setting, you're gonna want to light it right away with the lighter. And be careful. And that's it. You guys can cook while your power is off. If you found this video helpful, leave a thumbs up and comment below with any questions or any other ideas on how to cook and how to do things when your power is off. Thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and check out this other video on our channel, which you might find interesting.